10th of November and the capital Delhi, it was a time of 6:52 p.m. when a slow-moving vehicle named HR-26 was moving at the speed of 10 to 15 kilometer per hour, and it caused a blast, having 10 people dead and 30 people being injured. A case where the whole nation is in shock. You can see the footages out there. Uh, Home Minister Amit Shah is investigating the process out there and getting the brief. This is the case where the car was being damaged and blasted, and three, four cars others are mentioned here, and it is kept properly. And several other people have been injured. I would like to request my cameraman out there to please see on the footages for all the viewers. And you can see this was the Delhi bus which was moving behind that car when it caused the blasting. It was a time of 6:52 p.m. and it was an evening, and all the investigating agencies like NSG, Anti-Terrorist Squad, Delhi Police, and the Intelligence Bureau has been inquiring into the matter, and all the investigating agencies have been deeply taking the matter into account. A massive explosion occurred near the gate number 1 of Red Fort Metro, causing widespread panic and severe damage. The blast led to the fire that incurred multiple vehicles parking nearby, with several casualties reported. Uh, Police and bomb disposal squads rushed to the scene immediately, sealing off the area and launching the full investigation onto the process. Delhi Police, alongside the national agencies such as NIA and NSG, are probing into the incidents. You can see out there. All the agencies are present as of now. You can see a lady member out there investigating into the fingerprints and all the casualties where all the windshields has been broken off the car. And the cause of explosion is under investigation, with possibilities including a low intensity improvised explosive device. I would like to know our viewers that 3000 kgs of RDX has been cased in Faridabad within in the last 24 hours, and there has been a mark of link between both the cases, which has been taken into account. And Delhi Police has came into a matter that Salman bought this car and sold it to the guy named Nadeem. The car was named for HR-26, and you can see the footage and visuals out there how massive that explosion could be. And it had I would like to know my cameraman. So deep casualties are out there. You can see out there many people are investigating, with all the top-notch investigating agencies are present out there. Will come forward with all the reports and upcoming news with you guys. Yeah, thank you.